I'm Andrew Darlington with Veritas Risk Management. And the question I get a lot is, how much life insurance do I need? And the thing is, no one wants to talk about life insurance because it means someone's died. And that can be a hard conversation to have. I've got clients that they can't even have the conversation with a spouse because it brings up too much emotion in there. But that's what we're going to talk about today, is how much life insurance do I need? We've got a very easy answer here in a second. I'll show you what I'm talking about. So I thought it'd be best to do a doodly video that explains how much life insurance that you need, and I'll make it real quick and real simple so you'll understand it. So here's my doodly video on how much life insurance do you need. So in our example, we've got a family, a husband and a wife and 2 kids, and we're going to say the husband works and the wife can too, or she can stay at home. But bottom line, they need the husband's income in order to be able to survive as a family. So the question is, he has income. If he's gone, how much life insurance do we need to have? A good rule of thumb is to have 10 to 15 times your annual income in life insurance. Then I get the question, why? It seems like an awful lot of money, but in reality, it's not. Let's say, for example, you make $10,000 a year and you get 15 times that. That's $150,000 in life insurance. Now, I'm not a financial advisor, but let's just assume that you're going to be able to get 6% interest on that $150,000 that you make. You might get more, you might get less, but I think that's a pretty conservative number. Let's do the math. $150,000 times 6% interest equals $9,000. If you'll remember, we said that before the husband was making $10,000, whether it's a month or a week or a year, whatever it was. And now with the life insurance and the 6% interest, they're able to keep $9,000 a month. And so basically be able to offset the loss of income that they had. They were at 10, now they're at 9, so they can keep the lifestyle they had before the death of the husband. While 15 times your annual income may seem like a lot of life insurance, it's really not. You're just replacing the income that's gone because you've passed away. The great news is that life insurance is super cheap. It's literally pennies on the dollar. For most people, they can get all the life insurance they need for just the price of a couple of coffees a week. It's that cheap. Don't delay. Call us today at 423-292-4142 or go to our website, veritasrm.com, and get a quick quote. You'll be surprised how little it costs to properly protect your family and give everyone the peace of mind that they deserve.